वज़ीर-ए-आज़म इमरान खान ने कहा है कि कश्मीर समेत दुनिया में नाइंसाफ़ी के मुतादिद वाक़यात हुए, कश्मीर में नाइंसाफ़ी पर कोई तवज्जो नहीं दी गई। मग़रिबी मीडिया की कश्मीर से मुताल्लिक़ कम कवरेज मुनाफ़िक़ाना रवैया है। चीनी सहाफ़ियों से गुफ्तगू में वज़ीर-ए-आज़म का कहना था कि सिंकियांग के हवाले से मग़रिबी मीडिया, हुकूमतों, चीन के मौक़िफ़ में वाज़ेह फ़र्क है।
Our interaction with the Chinese officials, that version of what is happening in Xinjiang is completely different to the version of what we hear Western media and the Western governments. And because we have a relationship based on trust, so we actually accept the Chinese version when there are much worse human rights issues in the world which get no attention. For instance, in Kashmir. Kashmir is a huge human rights problem. There are about 9 million, 8 million Kashmiris which are basically has been put into an open prison until recently. It's a police state where there are extrajudicial killings, there's imprisonment, there's arbitrary arrests and ban on media, and yet there is hardly any adverse comment in the Western media. 100,000 Kashmiris have died in the last 30 years. We in Pakistan are committed to strengthen our relationship with China politically as well as in terms of economy and trade. CPEC is a flagship program in the BRI, and for Pakistan it is one of a program which gives us the greatest optimism and hope for our future economic development.